Hi guys, I'm Alex.
And I'm Quinn.
We are going to make a super easy bird scratch game.
I'm going to let Alex take over the coding. But first, let's make the bird.
It's simple. Make a white circle.
So let's just do that right now.
Yep.
Make sure to clip it to the middle.
Yep. Safety first, Quinn.
Now we need to make a black circle at the top of the white circle.
2 black circles.
2. Because it's going from a top view. So you can copy and paste
Something
those
like
using the
this.
buttons at the top.
Something like this. Then make a yellow triangle by making a square.
What?
Yeah.
Do-do-do-do-do-do.
So first, you just do this, then click on that looks like a ball. And then just delete one of the one and make it an equilateral triangle.
Wow, that's really smart, Alex.
And place it on top of a black circle, something like that.
All right.
Something like this. Yep. Then make the severs by yourself. Just kidding. Take 2 more white circles. Remember to always use the color sheet.
Yep.
And
those
make them
Beautiful.
But don't worry, we can just squish it down. And hey, that's a feather.
Yeah, that looks way more like a feather. Make sure to flip it horizontally, though. So.
Yeah. Let's leave the feet. Make 3 black lines.
All right.
Like
Oh.
Oop.
2, 3.
Something like this. And make the bottom points touch each other.
I think we
Something
did
like
that.
this.
All right, now it's time to drag it to the bird and make it beautiful. But squish
And
one
there
of
we
those.
go. But we need to make 2 of those for the running animation.
So copy your bird.
Yep. And position the feet in something like this.
Yep.
And there you go. Now you have a running bird.
Well, I'm gonna help with the backdrop.
Okay. Just
So-
make a simple green background.
Or you can pick any of these. I'm
Yeah.
gonna be using blue sky too, since I think it's pretty cool looking. It's time for the bird's code.
Woohoo! My favorite part. Start with a forever block
Wait,
and a
What about a green
green.
flag?
Yep. Good job.
You know what? Thanks.
And connect them like that. You will need a next costume block. But we don't want him running super fast. Not like at the speed of light.
He's not Usain Bolt.
Yeah, he's not Usain Bolt. Make sure to include a wait seconds block.
And
But let's just set that to 0.0.
0.5.
0.05 to make the perfect running animation.
And just look at how beautiful the chicken is.
Yeah, and we're done with the first thing of code. Do the same 2 steps again, which was the forever and the green flag block. This time we put a set X2 block.
Then we're gonna go down and put mouse
X.
X.
Mouse X. which means wherever you move on the x-axis,
Or for more beginner friendly, wherever we put our finger or mouse, that's where our bird will go.
yeah, something like this. Now the bird follows our finger.
How amazing. We couldn't have done it without you. Alright.
Good, done for the code for the chicken.
Alright. It's time to
Next
make
is the coin, but it's pretty much simpler than the chicken. So we make a brown circle.
That is not brown, that is orange.
I know it's not brown. Something like this. But we want it a bit lighter. This can work.
Say
This
that's
can
pretty
work.
copper.
Yeah, that is copper. That would be a very copper.
Now we're
And then we can just put some text. Click, hold on the dollar sign, pick this, and you're print.
change the color.
Yep, the color. And you're done with the coin. But we need to size it down a little bit.
And make sure to lock it in the middle again. But this time,
I'm just gonna make that green because it's gonna. Yeah.
alright,
So the code for the coin.
it's a little bit more complex, but nothing you won't be able to understand.
Yeah. So.
So let's go to the code now.
Yep. Let's just do this. As you see on the original game, we gotta do this. So we got it forever and a green block. Okay, hold on. Okay, and then we gotta put an if conditional. Let's make it say if touching our chicken here, hide it.
Mm-hmm.
So if a chicken touches it, you collect it.
Okay.
Now, let's just show that again. But this is a little bit more complex. Same
Nothing we can't do.
Same two things again. But it's nothing you can't do.
Yep.
But
Forever,
you can do a hide block.
then we can do a wait
A wait, pick random 1 to 10.
10 seconds.
Or you can just change that 10 to any number you want. But just don't make it too long unless you want to make it a funny YouTube parody.
Alright.
Anyway, we put a show block under this.
And
And then
it will say go to,
X. Go to X.
and then go to pick random negative 265
2.
to 265.
Mm-hmm.
We must really like the number 265, huh,
But-
Alex?
But just, it's just some max.
Yep.
And then let's make this 200. And then, sorry guys. So, we have to repeat 40 times. Yes, 40. Because why not? We have to change the y by -10. And you're done. You have a finished working chicken game.
Try to collect as many coins as you want.
Yeah.
And here's an additional code to see if you can make
You
your
can just
game.
adjust some things.
Yeah, but here's another thing you can do. You can go to when green flag clicked, then make a variable, whatever you want. Coins. Let's just say that. And let's set this to 0. But when this is touching this, you can change coins by 1. And now you do have a working little counter for every coin you collect.
Yeah. So that's the tutorial.
We hope you enjoyed. See you next